everyone, CatrinaLynne here, and I'm back with my husband Carl, and today we try Marmite.
Marmite, yes.
We've had Marmite biscuits, Marmite breakfast crackers.
Check out our breakfast video.
We've had Marmite chips, crisps, Marmite crisps.
Crisp!
They were so good.
Yeah.
We had Marmite on toast with bacon, egg, and
Yes.
cheese. Oh.
Oh.
Now we're gonna try Marmite popcorn, Marmite biscuits for cheese, and I've got a nice extra mature Scottish cheddar cheese to have with these, and Marmite rice cakes.
Wow, that might make them actually taste good. I'm not a fan of rice cake, so.
What should we try first?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. We're gonna try some popcorn.
Unique taste experience of our air popcorn.
Ooh. Marmite Joseph's Marmite gourmet popcorn. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's give it a try. Sniff.
Smells like Marmite.
Oh, it smells so much like Marmite. I love it already. Let's see how good this is. Popcorns. Oh, they look nice and light and crunchy. Think. Whoa, it gets stronger.
Yeah.
There is no flavor quite like Marmite. I like this. Do you like this? What do you think?
I can't eat popcorn now because that's my favorite. It's kind of, to me, it's kind of like if I put...
Nutritional yeast?
Yes.
Nooch.
Like when I do that on my tofu, or if I did it on popcorn, I would imagine this is how it tastes. This is amazing. This is exactly what I would be looking for. So
Marmite popcorn. I wasn't expecting the Marmite flavor to be as bold. You first put it in your mouth and you're like, well, I taste some Marmite. And then you keep chewing it and you're like, pow, Marmite City. I love it.
it's amazing.
It's really good.
You like it a lot?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Woo! It's good. Next, let's have Marmite rice cake. Marmite rice cake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't even try. What? Why? ASMR. Rice cakes. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I have an even bigger feeling that we're gonna like these even more with more Marmite on them.
Oh no! Yeah, good idea.
Rice cake. Marmite rice cake.
It's the same smell as that, so.
Oh yeah.
Dink dunk.
Wow. That's even more flavorful than the popcorn. Holy.
Oh, that's like a BAM! Here, take that.
Let's put more on it.
There's a lot on here. Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, it's delicious.
It says it's heaven.
It is heaven. Am I in heaven?
Yeah.
I'm good. Oh, we got a bottle of the Easy Squeezy Marmite. You may have seen this in our breakfast video where we had buttered toast with Marmite and turned it into a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich.
We're going to have to order a bunch of those because we don't have the squeeze bottle here in America.
Yeah, we do not.
We love this bottle.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
awesome. Oh.
So let's try some extra Marmite. How you like it?
There's a lot of Marmite.
Do we like more Marmite than we're supposed to? Because I really like Marmite.
That's powerful. Go ahead.
That is good. I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Woo! Yeah! Good. Punch in the face. Deliciousness. Marmite is so good.
Yeah.
Now we're going to try Marmite biscuits for cheese. Slowly baked with Marmite, the perfect partner for mature cheddar. So mature. So in America, we don't have mature cheddar. We have sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar. So I went out of the way to find Scottish cheddar cheese, and it is extra mature. It is a product of Scotland. Let's give it a try.
It's going Marmite crazy.
Marmite crazy. I got the fever.
Are you guys Marmite crazy too? I mean, you have everything.
I am. Is it a big deal for you guys? This is a big deal to me.
I don't think most people here would agree with us, though. We just like the really strong flavors. Do you think?
I don't know. Olivia liked the Marmite flavor. And she's American. And what is his name? Nick? Wait, no. James? He tried the Marmite chips too, and he's like, "Is that soy sauce?"
Did you say chips?
Crisps. He tried some of the Marmite crisps, and he thought, "Was that soy sauce?" And I'm like, "No, it's Marmite." And he's like, "What?" I'm like, "Marmite." But I think he subscribes now. I'm just bad with names.
He's gonna be mad at you.
Sorry. I will bring you some more things when I come back on Wednesday, Thursday. We have different days that we see each other. But anyway, okay. So a lot of different people, other fellow Americans, I have given Marmite flavor things to is my point. And they liked it.
Oh.
So, haven't come across anyone yet who didn't. But I love it. Although Olivia really
all the videos
it.
on YouTube is Americans going, eh.
What's up with that?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it's staged. Oh. So let's cut the cheese.
Hey, cut the cheese.
Who cut the cheese?
Ramsey.
I cut the cheese.
You can cut the cheese.
I cut the cheese on YouTube. I'm gonna cut it thicker. There's a piece.
Suitable for vegetarians.
Yeah.
No artificial
Ooh,
colors,
like
flavors, or
cheese.
preservatives. I like that.
Yeah. Brian. It was Brian. I think. So we got some biscuits.
There are like 2 of those in there?
Yeah, there's 2. I noticed that a lot of the crackers and stuff say that it may contain peanuts and sesame, which is strange because there's not peanuts or sesame in there. So, people who might be allergic or sensitive to those things. I wouldn't have thought, but I looked and I noticed. Anyhow, we haven't been a big fan of these crackers yet. Any Marmite cracker or any Marmite cracker we tried, we were because it was just dry but in the comments you guys said
eat it with cheese.
Try it with some cheese. A nice mature cheese.
You know what would be good?
What?
Blackcurrant jelly.
Let's try it this way first. Oh, dink. Wait. The cheese is fantastic. I taste the cheese more than anything.
Right. We love cheese. So
the Marmite's not coming through much.
So I'm going to try just this itself now.
It's the texture of a wheat thin.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. I like that a lot. I am going to try it with jam. And I want to try it with more Marmite. Blackcurrant jam on my cheesy Marmite cracker.
This is going to be amazing right here. You guys ever try this?
Yeah, I love fruit and cheese. And Marmite is so good, so let's give that a try. That is so good. Now.
It says 24/7. What's that mean?
Eat it all the time.
Oh. I guess we got to eat it all the time.
Let's put some Marmite on the Marmite biscuit. Marmite. And then some cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Spread it around a little bit. Oh, yeah. That is extra good.
Extra good with the Marmite on it?
More Marmite. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So good. And this black currant jam,
Yeah.
they had a deal going where if you spend like $140, American dollars, equivalent to whatever, I had the currency set to American dollars, then you would get a free tote bag from them full of surprise goodies, British goodies from their shop. So I made sure I went and ordered $140 worth of
Cyber Monday
stuff on Cyber Monday.
And we already had a bunch of stuff, but
I got my order in the mail. I'm so excited. And then I realized, where's my tote? Where's the extra goodies? I didn't get any. So I emailed them and I told them. And a few days later, I got a credit for $10 back to what I used to pay for it.
So we got roped into ordering on Cyber Monday.
That wasn't cool. I am going to look for a different site to order my stuff from going forward. So if you can recommend a site for me that ships straight from the UK and imports to America, please link it below for us, because I'm not happy with shopping from this
they have great
site
stuff.
anymore.
We love all the
It's
stuff
fantastic
but
products.
If we went through that, and as much as if you could see how much stuff we've got that from that site in general, and then they just come back with, here's a $10 refund.
Yeah, a $10 refund isn't the tote full of surprise stuff. The tote alone, okay, but there was stuff. They mentioned something like first come or while supply lasts, but it was supposed to be full of goodies, and they didn't to help us out with any of that. So I love the products, but I'm not a fan of the store and the customer service anymore. I had a bad experience.
Yeah, because it took, when you got it in the mail and then you emailed them, it took over 2 days to email you.
Yeah, it took a few days.
Yeah, and then tell you that, and we were all excited for that.
Yeah.
But we're still excited for everything from the UK.
Yes, love the British food. Just not a fan of bad customer service. So that was very upsetting. That was my experience. And because we are honest here on the CatrinaLynne channel, we tell you what we went through.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some jelly on yours? Jam?
No, let's...
Okay, I did black currant jam on my Marmite biscuit with the mature cheddar with more Marmite on top. Let's try.
I just did more Marmite. That's how you do it.
This is how you do it. Oh, so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So good. There's so many ways I like this. I hope other Americans find our channel and watch these things and say, oh, we should try this, because
you gotta try it.
You don't know what you're missing, people. It's amazing. So, all because of your comments, I selected more of these products and was so very happy to review, to try them. They are excellent. All 10 out of 10s. Amazing. So keep those comments coming. Give us a like, subscribe. It helps our channel. If you want to keep seeing our channel, more content from us, make sure you subscribe. Turn on those notifications, all the notifications on that bell, so you see all our videos when they come up. P.O. Box is listed below if you want to send anything our way for us to review, or just a letter to say hi. That's all for now, guys. Bye.